Circled my walls of Jericho, relentless path and endless road. Tragedy, my stamina to please. Inside this gated exterior is a fate most inferior, one I can't seem to easily forget. It all seemed too daunting to unravel, felt haunting. Exposed the windows I boarded up long ago. Couldn't choose a path and it took its toll. Held on to hope and it overflowed. Casted off my fears, but no more. As the violin swelled, piano keys tell a new kind of story. Melodies compel, symphonies of sounds, chaos and disarray, all fade away. Open up, let the light in. 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 I'll open up, let the light in. Open up, let the light in. I'll open up. I'll open up. I'll open up, let the light in. Open up, let the light in. I'll open up. Don't be afraid. Let the light darkness can Don't be afraid. 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 Open up, let the